In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to create grid line in AutoCAD. I'm Miracle Okeke Rochard. Welcome to Sangos Engineering, and here I help you develop the required skills and enhance your knowledge to elevate your engineering career. So if this is what you want, you can quickly subscribe. So this is the architectural plan we'll be working on. We'll be creating our grid line on. So first, before you start creating your grid line, the first thing to do is to first of all create a grid line layer. Like to create that layer, I'll first of all type layer. I'll type layer, enter. I'll type layer, enter to create a grid line layer. I'll type layer, enter, then click on new layer. I'll click on it, then I'll now type grid. I'll then type grid. I'll write my grid line color to be, I like it to be this color. I'll like to take this color. I'll click on OK, and I'll write my line width to be at, let me say 0.05. I'll click on OK. Then I'll click on OK. Then I'll then click on cruise. Then at this point, I'll then do L, enter. L stands for line. So I'll like to turn on my auto key. I can come here and turn on my auto key, or I'll just click on Ctrl F8. My auto key will just automatically turn on. Then I'll like to first of all start with creating that horizontal grid line. So reason for this line is just to locate the center. But before I'll create the grid line, I'll first of all select my grid line layer. I'll come and click it. I'll select it. I'm now on grid line layer. So the reason for this line is just to indicate the center of this block wall. I'll now do SL, enter. SL stands for construction line. I'll now do H. H stands for horizontal line. I'll then click on the center. So then E stands for erase this line. So this line is now my grid line. So don't worry, if you look, this is a construction line, so it's running throughout this whole AutoCAD interface. But after, I'll show you how to trim I'll show you how to trim it off, so it will only be on this drawing. So I'll escape. I'll then copy this grid line, click on CO, which stands for copy. I'll click on enter. I'll then copy from one of the wall edge. I'll copy from this point. I'll then place it on all my horizontal walls. So this is the way you can create your grid line in AutoCAD. I'll place it in all my horizontal walls. I'll also place it here. I think I'm through with my horizontal walls. I'll also like to place here. Okay, yeah, I've placed it in all my horizontal wall. I'll then click on escape. I'll then create another one for this vertical wall. I'll then come and click L, enter. L stands for line, to locate the center of this block wall. Click on escape. I'll then do S, L, which stands for construction line. But now we will now do V. V stands for vertical, enter. We will locate the center. Once we locate the center, we'll delete this line that we use in locating the center. We'll highlight it, do CO, enter. We'll copy from one of the wall edge, then we'll place it here. We'll also place it here, and we'll also place it here. Sorry, Ctrl Z to undo. I made a mistake. We'll place it here. Yes. Then we'll place it here. We'll just place it in all the vertical walls. Anyway, I'm having vertical walls. So I think we are through. So with that, I'll escape. Then you see this construction line is running through this whole AutoCAD interface. So to trim off the excessive ones, I'll come and create a rectangle around this architectural plan. I can just click on REC, or you just can click on rectangle, click on enter. I'll then create a rectangle around this architectural plan. I'll then highlight this rectangle, then click on TR, which stands for trim. I'll click on enter. Then I'll delete this. If you look, I've deleted everything. But make sure you highlight this rectangle, because if you do not highlight this rectangle and there is a drawing here, it will only delete from here to that drawing. Then the remaining will still be there. So make sure you highlight the rectangle. So I'll trim off this and also trim off this. I'll escape. After, I'll now highlight this rectangle and enter to erase it. So I'm through with this. So I've created my grid line. But in case you also want to create test, what you do is come and create a new layer for test. I'll just type on layer. I'll type on layer, enter. I'll click on new layer. I'll just type it test, and I'll write my test to be, let me see, 0.9. I'll click on OK, and yes, then that is the line width. I'll click on OK. Then I'll now escape. Then I'll now come here, select my test layer. Then I'll now type test, or you can click on test symbol. I'll type test. Then they now ask me specify the starting point of test. I'll specify this point. The next thing is specify height. I want to use the test height of 500. I'll click on enter. Next thing is specify rotation angle. Since I want it to be straight, I'll just click on 0, which is my rotation angle. Then it will appear. So I'll like to type A. So let me use capital letter of A. So enter. So I'll then Once I've typed A, I'll then create a circle around this A. I'll just type C, enter. That's to create a circle. I'll just create a circle around it. So this is it. Then what I'll now do is that I'll copy it, CO, enter. CO, enter. Then I'll now place it here. Then to remove my auto key, I'll just click on Control FA, or you just click on this place to remove my auto key. I'll also press it here. I'll also press it here, press it here. I'll press it here, press it here. Then I'll escape. Then this one I'll write it again, CO, enter. I'll copy from this side and come and paste it here, paste it here. Sorry, Control Z to undo, press it here. I'll also press it here, press it here, and I'll also press it here, press it here, press it here. Control Z, press it here at this point. Yes. Then after, I would like to have it as 1, and this one as 2, then this as 3. After you now change the remaining, due to the duration of this video, I will not change it. This will still remain as A. Then I would like to have this as B. Then I would also like to have this as C. Then since this thing is touching each other, I can just come and create a line. L, enter. L stands for line. I'll turn on my auto key by clicking on Control F8. I'll have this. Then locate. For me, I want to. I'll then click on it. Then what I'll now do is that I'll come and CO, copy. I'll then copy it and place it here. Sorry, I should have done move, not copy. So let me delete this. I could have done move. Then I'll now do TR to trim off this excessive one. So this is how you do to this remaining place. So once you are through, you can just copy it like this. CO, enter. Once you are through numbering it correctly, you now come and paste it here. So with this, we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you learned how to carry out your grid line in AutoCAD.